illustrators, welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. My name is Ashley Belote. I am a professional author and illustrator, and today I am going to teach you step by step how to draw a panda bear. So let's get started. Okay, illustrators, we are going to begin our panda illustration. We'll start with an oval for our panda's head. And we'll follow that up with a face. We'll do two little pupils here, 1 and 2. Little upside down triangle for the nose. A little line down, and then a smile. We'll put a patch around this eye. These pandas have that great black and white color scheme happening here. 2 eyebrows. And we'll build the rest of the eye around the pupils there. 2 ears, 1 on that side. And 1 on that side. We'll start with the front paws first. So we'll trace this line right here on the side of our initial oval, and we'll bring in, curve and come back up. There's front paw number 1 and front paw number 2. From the back here, we'll bring in a big curved line that ends with the back foot. Little cross piece there. And another little foot that we'll see peeking through back there. A few small details. And if you want to add a little indication that the panda is outside, you can put a few lines, maybe a few blades of grass. Okay, so there we have our panda bear. Now we're going to add color. You can use colored pencils, crayons, markers, anything that you'd like to use. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our panda character. The very last step is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today!